Assalamualaikum for watching my class, guardians and my dear students. My dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are quite well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am here to present a class of class 5 of English. So, my dear students of class 5, please take your English book, notebook and pen. So, my dear students, hurry up. Take your book, notebook and pen. So, my dear students of class 5, I welcome you to my class. At the beginning of the class, now I am introducing myself. I am Sabiqun Nahar, assistant teacher, Purvojatiya Government Primary School, Ishwarganj, Mymensingh. Today I will present a class of class 5, subject English, unit 20, lesson 1-2. So, my dear students, like every day, before going to class, we will do something. Today, we will listen a song, a world song. So, my dear students, listen the song. So, my dear students, we shall overcome someday, and certainly we shall overcome very soon, because all of you know a Bangladeshi scientist Asif Mahmood invented corona vaccine. Now this vaccine is in animal trial, so we shall overcome corona very soon. So this day is coming very soon. So, my dear students, now I am going to show you a picture, and please watch this picture attentively. So, my dear students, what can you see in this picture? My dear students, think for a while. What do you see in this picture? Very good. What is the girl doing in the picture? Yes, the girl is putting her books into bag. From this picture we can say the girl may be a student, and certainly the girl is a student, and the girl is passing her student life. So student life is very enjoyable part of anybody's life. Also you too, when you grow older, you will wish that if I come back to my student life again. So we can say the girl is passing her student life, and this student life is beautiful. Yes, as is this is the enjoyable part of anybody's life. So student life is beautiful. My dear students, can you guess what is our today's lesson? Very good. Our today's lesson is life is beautiful. Our today's lesson is life is beautiful. My dear students, do you know the meaning of the words? Yes, these are new words. So we will introduce with these words. The first one is spring. So please pronounce with me. Spring. Spring. My dear students, can you say me when cuckoo sing? হ্যাঁ, তোমরা কি বলতে পারো কখন কুকু ডাকে, মানে কোকিল কখন গান গায়? ঠিক বলেছ, বসন্তকালে। কোকিল কখন গান গায়? বসন্তকালে। বসন্তকালের ইংরেজি কি? হ্যাঁ, ঠিক বলেছ, বসন্তকালের ইংরেজি হচ্ছে স্প্রিং। তাহলে আমরা বলতে পারি যে স্প্রিং ইজ দ্য নেম অফ দ্য সিজন, and spring consists of Bengali months, Falgun and Chaitra. ঠিক আছে? The next one is smell. Smell. Please pronounce with me. Smell. Dear students, look at me. Look at me. What I have done. Look at me. What I am doing. The action is smell. The action is smell. তার মানে আমি কি করেছি? ঠিক বলেছো, আমি এটার গন্ধ নিয়েছি, মানে শুকেছি। এটার নাম কি? গন্ধ নেওয়া, স্মেল। কি? স্মেল। The next one is dressed. Dear students, look at me. Dear students, now I am dressed in a red and black sari. Can you understand? I am dressed in red and black sari. So dressed mean, ঠিক বলেছো, dressed mean আমি কালো এবং লাল শাড়ি পরে আছি। তাহলে কি? dressed means পরিহিত। ঠিক আছে? আমরা যদি ইংরেজিতে বলতে চাই wearing. The last one is warm. Warm. Look at me. Dear students, can you see me? শীতকালে রৌদ্র কেমন লাগে? হ্যাঁ, মিষ্টি লাগে, তাই না? এরকম মানে জ্বালা ধরায় না রোদে, তীব্রতা। তাহলে ওটা কি? ওয়ার্ম। নট টু হট, নট টু হট অর লাইট হট। আচ্ছা, ওয়ার্ম মিন্স হট। So my dear students, write down in your notebook the meaning. You know, in your TC exam there is one kind of question item says similar words, matching with similar words. So please write down in your notebook. Spring, name of the season. Spring, name of the season. Smell, flavor. Smell, flavor. Dressed, wearing. Dressed, wearing. Dressed, wearing. Warm, hot. Warm, hot. Please write down. So my dear students, open your book at the page 78 and find out his words. Spring, smell, dressed, warm, and try to make sentence with his words. Spring, smell, dressed, warm. Please underline the word. The words, underline the words. Spring, smell, dressed, warm. So my dear students, now we'll go our text. So my dear students, listen attentively.
It's a beautiful spring day. Maria gets up early. She feels happy. She knows that it's a nice day because she puts her hand on the glass at the window. It is very warm. She opens the window and the singing of the birds fills the room. She can smell the flowers outside her home. They smell sweet and fresh. After Maria gets dressed and has her breakfast, she puts her books in her bag. She is ready for school.
She is ready for school. So my dear students, important information about the text are: it's spring day. It's spring day. Maria gets up early. It's very warm. Maria opens the window. Maria gets smell sweet and fresh of flowers. Maria gets dressed, has breakfast, then she puts books in bag. So my dear students, now read the text silently and try to make understand what is about the text. So my dear students, read the text. Then I will translate the text. So my dear students, now I am translating. It's a beautiful spring day. এটি একটি বসন্তের সুন্দর দিন। Maria gets up early. Maria সকাল সকাল উঠল। She feels happy. সে খুবই খুশি হলো। She knows that it's a nice day because she puts her hand on the glass of the window. সে জানতো কি যে এটা একটা খুব সুন্দর দিন, কারণ সে জানালার গ্লাসে হাত রেখেছিল। It's very warm, যেটা খুবই উষ্ণ ছিল। She opens the window and the singing of the birds fills the room. সে সকালে কি করলো? জানালাটা খুললো এবং পাখির কলকাকলিতে তার রুম ভরে গেল। She can smell the flowers outside her home. তার বাড়ির বাইরের ফুল গাছের ঘ্রাণ সে নিতে পারলো। They smell sweet and fresh. তাদের গন্ধটা ছিল টাটকা এবং মিষ্টি। After Maria gets dressed and has her breakfast, she puts her books in her bag. Maria কি পোশাক পরার পরে এবং নাস্তা করার পরে সে কি করলো? তার ব্যাগে বই গুছালো। She is ready for school. সে স্কুলের জন্য তৈরি। তোমরাও তো তৈরি হও, তাই না? এখানে কি মারিয়ার একটা মর্নিং সম্পর্কে দেওয়া, তাই না? That is about Maria's morning, and the day is spring day. So my dear students, now I repeat the lesson. If you get any mistake, you will say stop. Then I will stop. After that you will say the correct word. So my dear student, it's a kind of গেম। তোমরা কি করবে, আমি টেক্সটটা পড়ব, টেক্সটে কিছু ভুল শব্দ থাকতে পারে, তাই তোমরা কি মনোযোগ সহকারে শুনতে হবে। তারপরে কি তুমি আমাকে স্টপ বলবে, আমি থেমে যাব। তারপর তুমি কারেক্ট শব্দ বলার পরে আমি আবার শুরু করব। আর ইউ রেডি? লেটস স্টার্ট। So my dear student, I'm reading. It's a beautiful summer day. Anything wrong? Yes. It's a beautiful spring day. Maria gets the plate. Maria gets a plate. Anything wrong? Yes. Maria gets up early. Maria gets up early. She feels happy. Wrong? Yes. No wrong. She feels happy. She knows that it's a nice day because she puts her hand on a glass of water. Wrong? Yes. What will be the correct word? She knows that it's a nice day because she puts her hand on a glass of window. It is very warm. Anything wrong? No wrong. She opens the door. Yes, it will be she opens the window and the singing of the birds fills the house. Yes, the correct word would be the singing of the birds fills the room. She can smell the trees. Wrong. The correct word will be she can smell the flower outside her home. They can smell sweet and fresh. They smell sweet and fresh. Wrong. After Maria gets dressed and has her breakfast, she puts her pants. Wrong. She puts her books in her bag. She is ready for school. Well done, my students. Big clap. So my dear students, here is the fill in the blank for you. It's a beautiful one is done for you. Spring day. It's a beautiful spring day. The second is Maria. What will be the word? Maria puts her books in bed. And the last one is it is very hot. It's very hot. So big clap. So my dear students, now write down in your notebook homework. Your today's homework is write 5 sentences about a spring day. So my dear students, you can do your homework with the help of your parents or your siblings. So my dear students, you have to write 5 sentences about a spring day. কি করবে বন্ধুরা? হ্যাঁ, তোমরা বাড়ির কাজ একটি বসন্তের দিন সম্পর্কে তোমরা 5টি বাক্য লিখবে তো? হ্যাঁ, স্কুল খোলা হলে কি আমরা দেখব। ঠিক আছে, ক্লাস টিচারকে হোমওয়ার্ক দেখাতে হবে। So my dear students, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you students. Goodbye.